Most people are using AI the wrong way for marketing. They open ChatGPT, type something like, write me a caption, copy the first answer, post it, and then wonder why nobody cares. But AI can do much more than captions. You can use AI to research your audience, create content ideas, write ads, build email campaigns, improve your offers, analyze competitors, and even create visuals and videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple AI marketing workflow using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Higgsfield. And I'll explain it in a very simple way. By the end, you'll understand how to use AI as your marketing assistant, your copywriter, your strategist, and even your creative team. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools, hacks, and workflows that help you save time, money, and more. Let's start with the big idea. AI is not just a writing tool. AI is a thinking partner. For marketing, that means you can use it before, during, and after you create content. Before you create, AI helps you understand your audience. During creation, AI helps you write posts, emails, ads, scripts, and landing pages. After you publish, AI helps you analyze what worked and what you should improve. So instead of thinking, how do I use AI to write one post? Think, how do I use AI to build a full marketing system? Here is the simple workflow. Step 1. Use AI to understand your customer. This is where ChatGPT and Claude are very useful. Let's say you sell an online course, a coaching service, a fitness program, a real estate service, or even a local business offer. Most people start by asking AI to write marketing content. But before that, you should ask AI to understand the customer. Here's a prompt you can use. Act as a marketing strategist. My business is, then you explain your business. My target customer is, then you describe your target customer. Tell me their top 10 problems, top 10 desires, top 10 objections, and the exact words they might use when talking about this problem. This prompt is powerful because marketing starts with understanding. If you don't understand the customer, your content will sound generic. But when you know their problems, desires, and objections, your marketing becomes much stronger. For example, if you sell a fitness program, your customer might not say, I need a body transformation solution. They might say, I'm tired of starting every Monday and quitting by Wednesday. That sentence is much more real, and AI can help you find those real words. Step number 2. Use AI to create content ideas. Once you understand the customer, ask AI for content ideas based on their problems. Here's the prompt. Based on these customer problems and desires, give me 30 content ideas for short videos. Each idea should have a strong hook, a simple lesson, and a clear reason why the viewer should care. Now, you're not just randomly posting, you're creating content based on what your audience already cares about. You can also ask AI to organize the ideas into categories. For example, educational content, story content, mistakes content, myth busting content, case study content, offer content. This gives you a full content calendar. And this is where AI starts saving serious time. Instead of sitting there thinking, what should I post today? You can generate a full month of ideas in a few minutes. Step number 3. Use ChatGPT for fast marketing drafts. ChatGPT is great when you want speed, structure, and lots of variations. For example, you can use it to write Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube scripts, ad copies, landing page sections, email subject lines, product descriptions, sales messages. Here's a simple prompt. Write me 5 versions of a short form video script for this idea. And then you type in your idea. Make the tone simple, direct, and practical. Start with a strong hook, explain the problem, give the solution, and end with a call to action. The important part is asking for multiple versions. Don't just take the first answer. Ask for 5 or 10 versions. Then pick the best parts from each one. That's how you use AI like a creative partner. Step number 4. Use Claude for deeper strategy and better long form writing. Claude is very good when you want longer, more thoughtful writing. So if I'm writing a long YouTube script, a brand story, a detailed email sequence, or a landing page, Claude can be very useful. For example, you can use this prompt. Help me create a 7-day email campaign for people who are interested in. Then you put in your offer. The goal is to build trust, educate them, handle objections, and invite them to book a call or buy. Keep the tone friendly, clear, and not too salesy. This can give you a full email sequence. Then you can ask Claude, make email number 3 more emotional. Or make this sound more like a real person and less like a sales page. Or shorten this and make it easier to read. That's a big part of using AI for marketing. You don't just ask once, you guide it, you improve it, you shape the output. Step number 5. Use AI to create ads. A lot of businesses waste money on ads because they only test one message. AI helps you create more variations. For example, ask ChatGPT or Claude, create 10 ad angles for this product. Each angle should target a different customer pain point or desire. Then ask, now turn the 3 best angles into Facebook ads. Copy TikTok ad scripts and YouTube short scripts. This is useful because marketing is testing. You don't always know which message will work. AI helps you create more options faster. You can test different hooks like save time, save money, make money, avoid mistakes, get faster results, look more professional, remove stress. Those are all different marketing angles. Step number 6. Use Higgsfield for marketing visuals and video ideas. Higgsfield is an AI video and image platform focused on cinematic visuals, social ready videos, and creative production. It has tools for AI video generation, storyboarding, cinematic camera control, and marketing style visuals. So, where ChatGPT and Claude help you think and write, Higgsfield can help you create the visual side. For marketing, you could use it to create product ad concepts, cinematic social videos, visual hooks for TikTok or Instagram, AI generated scenes for a campaign, storyboard ideas, creative variations for ads. For example, imagine you sell a luxury coffee brand. You could ask ChatGPT or Claude to create the ad concept first. Create a 15-second cinematic ad concept for a premium coffee brand. The mood should feel modern, warm, and high end. Include the scene, camera movement, text on screen, and final call to action. Then you take that concept and use Higgsfield to generate the visuals or storyboard. This is the real power. Use one AI tool for strategy, another for writing, and another for creative production. Don't expect one tool to do everything perfectly. Build a workflow. Step 7. Use AI to improve your offer. Marketing is not only content. Sometimes your content is fine, but your offer is confusing. So use AI to improve the way you explain what you sell. Here's a prompt. Analyze this offer and tell me why people might not buy. What is unclear? What objections are not handled? How can I make the offer stronger, simpler, and more attractive? Then paste your offer. This could be your website, product description, coaching package, course page, or service description. AI can help you find weak points. Maybe the benefit is unclear. Maybe the price needs more justification. Maybe there is no urgency. Maybe the promise sounds too vague. A better offer makes all your marketing easier. Step number 8. Use AI after you publish. This is the step most people forget. After you post content, collect the results. Which video got the most views? Which email got the most clicks? Which ad got the lowest cost? Which hook worked best? Then paste the results into AI and ask, analyze these marketing results. What patterns do you see? Which topics, hooks, and angles performed best? What should I create next? Now, AI is not just helping you create, it's helping you learn. That's how you improve over time. So, let's put the full AI marketing workflow together. First, use ChatGPT or Claude to understand your customer. Second, generate content ideas from real problems and desires. Third, write scripts, captions, emails, and ads. Fourth, create multiple versions so you can test. Fifth, use Higgsfield for visuals, ad concepts, and cinematic marketing videos. Sixth, improve your offer. Seventh, analyze the results and repeat. That's how you use AI for marketing properly. Not just one caption, not just one prompt, a full system. Here's the key lesson: AI does not replace your marketing strategy. AI helps you move faster through the strategy. It helps you think faster, write faster, test faster, and create more variations. But you still need to know your customer. You still need to review the output. You still need to add your real experience. And you still need to test what actually works. So, if you're a creator, freelancer, coach, consultant, or business owner, start simple. Don't try to automate everything on day one. Start with this. Use AI to create 30 content ideas. Then pick 5. Turn those 5 into scripts, record them, post them, track what works, then use AI to improve the next ones. That alone can save you hours every week. And if you want to go one level deeper, combine the tools. Use ChatGPT for fast ideas, use Claude for deeper writing, use Higgsfield for visual concepts and AI video. That's your AI marketing team. One tool for strategy, one tool for writing, one tool for visuals. And you are still the director. If you found this useful, subscribe to AI Alpha because I'm going to keep showing you simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make money with AI. And comment marketing if you want me to make a step by step AI marketing system you can copy for your own